Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to grip a golf club right-handed only way. Place the club handle lightly in your lead left hand, letting the grip sit across your fingers. Wrap your left thumb slightly right of center and close without squeezing. Set your right hand so the lifeline cups over the left thumb, with the right thumb pointing down the shaft. Finish with both hands working as one, steady and relaxed for consistent shots. Keep a relaxed, confident tone when setting hand placement. Slide the right hand up to meet the left, ensuring the lifeline overlaps the left thumb for unity. The right thumb should sit just left of center on the grip to promote consistent release. Avoid a tight squeeze. Think of holding a bird without harming it. This balance gives control during the swing while preserving wrist hinge and club face stability through impact. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It responds to voice control and keeps your floors tidy so you can practice swings without tripping over dust bunnies. I love the hands-free convenience and smart mapping for busy golfers. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Grip pressure matters more than hand position once your setup is correct. Aim for light to medium pressure, enough to control the club but not so tight you create tension. Test by holding the club with 2 or 3 fingers and swinging slowly. You should feel connection without strain. Relax your forearms and let the shoulders drive the motion for smooth tempo and better ball striking, keeping the same pressure through the takeaway and follow through.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.